Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to try out a natural cleaning method to clean your glass stovetop, so stay tuned. I think I have tried this recipe before and I cannot remember if I loved it or if I did not love it. So we're gonna try. I want to show you what you will need, and it's only 3 ingredients. The first item you'll need is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaning product that I use in a variety of things that I clean. Baking soda you can use on glass surfaces. It's scratchless. It provides an abrasiveness where you can get down to the nit and the grit of things. So I'm going to use baking soda. I'm going to use a little bit of Dawn detergent. I'm sure that you can probably use any detergent you have, but I am using the Dawn. And the last ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is another fantastic natural cleaning substitute that you can use for a variety of things. And then I also have just this sponge wand, and I'm going to fill it up with some hot water to help me clean the paste off, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ingredients and make a paste, and then I'm just going to wash it with my brush. And I want to show you how dirty our glass stovetop it actually is right now. So you can see that it is pretty dirty. I have actually not deep cleaned it in a while. So let's go ahead and try with these ingredients.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again.
I did not measure out. I just tried to put equal parts of everything on whenever I put the Dawn detergent, the baking soda, and the hydrogen peroxide. And after washing it with the sponge, I needed to dry it, so I used just a white towel. After I used the white towel, I realized that I had some residue, so I used a wet microfiber cloth to wipe the residue down, and then I took a dry microfiber cloth and dried it, and all the residue was gone.
How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? na na, we ain't got the time. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me.
So overall, I think these 3 simple ingredients worked really well. I did have to scrub some areas and put a little muscle work behind it. I think that probably in the next couple of days, I'm going to do the thing where you take the baking soda and put it all over the stovetop, and then you put a hot towel on it and see if that helps get up some of the I have like a little line left still where water boiled over and it just kind of sat there for a while. So I'm going to see if that will relieve that. If not, I guess I'll have to go for something a bit more, something that maybe is not quite as natural, but I am going to try that. But overall, I love this, especially for like weekly maintenance on your glass stovetop. And I just think that anytime you can use a natural cleaner, that is always the best way to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.